Hello, good afternoon. I'm Eileen P. Cabanting from the Philippines. I'm 25 years old. I'm graduate of practical nursing. I have a working experience in Hong Kong, Chinese family. For 1 year and 9 months, I'm taking care of a newborn baby and 11 years old. And then I come here in Moscow. I'm a cleaner here for 2 months. As a part-timer, and then I work as a nanny in a Russian family. I handle with a 2 years old baby girl and 5 years old boy. And then my employer are decided to go in England, so I'm looking for another job. That's why.